Hello guys, today we would be writing a Python script which represents a 2D and a 3D vector. First of all, let's see, some things you need to know besides Python. We need to know two main things to follow along. First is that we need to know what a vector is. And second of all, we all should know what is a vector component, so like what is I-cap or J-cap and all other things. So, let me just give you a little glimpse of the thing which I am talking about. Let's take something like Sonic for example. What the hell is this? Anyways, as you can see in this GIF, Sonic is moving, or I should say, running. Now if you'll notice carefully, he is not only running but is also moving in a certain direction. There you have it, vectors are the same thing. If an object or a particle for that instance has a magnitude as well as in some direction, it is classified as a vector quantity. Talking about the vector components, there are three major components of a vector, which are the I-cap, the J-cap, and the K-cap. All these just indicate where the object is advancing towards. The I-cap indicates the x-axis, the J-cap indicates the y-axis, and likewise the K-cap indicates the z-axis, in this three-dimensional plane. Now let's proceed towards the video. This initializes both the vector components of a 2D vector and help us show the direction of the object, such as the x and y direction or the y and z direction and the z and x direction. This returns the value of I and J caps with the given user parameters. For example, if we have the value of I as 5 and J as 7, the result would be 5i plus 7j, and so follows the rest. We have created a new class for the representation of a three-dimensional vector, and we have also done one extra thing, that is, we have inherited the functions of the previous class so we can use them as well. Here we initialize the K-cap or the third vector component, as we are obviously going to represent 3D vectors as well. Now, this would do the same thing which was done here, just one more vector component has been added here to represent a 3D vector. Finally, we pass the parameters at last, where the numbers in the two-dimensional vector class are initialized and passed as the I and the J cap. Whereas when we talk about the third vector component, which is the K cap, it is initialized in the three-dimensional vector class and so it is passed as well.